Meet the Bayraktar TB2, one of the most talked about drones in modern warfare. This Turkish-made unmanned aerial vehicle has captured global attention for its versatility, affordability, and game-changing impact on battlefields around the world. Let's break down what makes this drone so special. Developed by Baykar, the Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance drone, or MALE drone. It's designed for a range of missions including surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes. What sets it apart? Its perfect balance of simplicity and effectiveness. Let's dive into the specs. The TB2 can fly up to 27,000 feet and has an operational range of around 150 kilometers. It's powered by a single Rotax engine, giving it endurance for up to 27 hours in the air. It carries a payload of 150 kilograms, which includes advanced cameras for real-time surveillance and precision-guided munitions like the MAML and MAM-C. Now, why is it a game-changer? The TB2 has proven itself in high-profile conflicts including in Syria, Libya, and the ongoing war in Ukraine. Its ability to evade sophisticated air defense systems and deliver precision strikes has turned the tide in battles. And it's not just Turkey using the TB2. This drone has been exported to over a dozen countries including Ukraine, Azerbaijan, and Qatar. Its affordability, costing a fraction of high-end drones like the American MQ-9 Reaper, makes it accessible to nations seeking advanced military capabilities on a budget. But it's not just about hardware. The TB2's software, designed by Baykar engineers, ensures smooth integration with ground control systems, enabling seamless real-time operations. This combination of technology and affordability has cemented its reputation as a revolutionary weapon. The Bayraktar TB2 is more than just a drone. It's a symbol of how unmanned technology is reshaping modern warfare. Whether it's gathering intelligence or delivering precise strikes, this UAV has redefined the battlefield. What do you think about the role of drones like the TB2 in today's conflicts? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more breakdowns of the latest military tech.